Hey, it's Bernard Nomberg with the Nomberg Law Firm, and I wanted to explain what a compensability hearing is in the context of workers' compensation litigation. These are commonly referred to as Publix hearings, and the reason why that is because the original case that started this trend of approaches to the law and hearings, it was a Publix supermarkets case. A compensability hearing or a Publix hearing is not a full-blown trial on the entire case. What this is there has developed a dispute between the parties about medical care on a particular injury that's being claimed by the injured worker. For example, injured worker works at a construction company and steps in a hole and they have injured their back. The insurance company investigates and says, we're not going to pay for this because we don't believe that the original injury was caused from stepping in the hole at the construction site. We think that it was from something that happened in the past. So they deny the claim. So you're forced to file a lawsuit and you have to proceed to court to have a judge examine all of the evidence to determine whether or not the medical care that's necessary should be covered or paid for by the workers' comp insurance company. These hearings usually come anywhere from 90 to about 150 days after you file your lawsuit, because certain things have to occur during the discovery process to lead up to that hearing. The hearings don't take very long. They can take an hour or two, or they could take half a day. It just depends on how involved it is. It's kind of a mini trial, but it's not on the full-blown merits of the entire case. You're not talking about the degree of disability. You're not talking about, frankly, about a lot of things that you would be at a trial. You're really focusing on this injury, the nature and cause of it. Then the judge will issue an order determining whether or not it's related. If it is, then you'll get the benefits that are afforded under the Alabama Workers' Compensation Act. If it's not, then you'll be forced to seek medical care on your own that you'll be financially responsible for. Every case is a little bit different. We've handled these cases quite a bit. They come up quite often. We'd be glad to talk to you about it if it's an issue or something you'd like to talk about or have questions about. 205-930-6900 is our office number. NombergLaw.com is the website. We can also be found on Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube.